Japan could lose half of its population in the future. In 2023, its population dropped by 800,000, that's like everyone in San Francisco disappearing in just 1 year. Birth rates hit record lows, with only 758,631 babies born, but in the Philippines, which has a similar number of people, there were twice as many births. Marriages also hit a 90-year low, with only 489,281 couples marrying. The aging population, with 28%, contributes to the decline, which is around 34 million people are aged 65 or older. That's almost as many people as in Malaysia. By 2070, Japan could see another 33 million fewer people, equivalent to nearly all of Tokyo's residents. The Japanese government is trying to solve the problem of the falling birth rate. Let's hope everything goes well for a beautiful country like Japan.